This is the formative assessment 3, teacher principal for the subject English, 5th class. First Roman is fill in the blanks. By using can, cannot, could not, we fill up these blanks. So first one is Raju is a clever boy and he dash solve any problem. For present tense can, cannot we use, and for past tense could not we should use. Raju is a clever boy and he can solve. Can is the right answer. John dash ride a bicycle when he was 8. John could not. Why? Because it's past tense. So we should write here could not. Next, Rafi can play caroms, but he dash play chess. He can play caroms, but he cannot play chess. But he cannot play chess. My grandfather became old, so he dash play with us. He cannot play with us. Can't. Last night I was so ill that I dash refell. So last night is past tense, that way I couldn't sleep well. These are the right answers. Next, write the professions you know. Professions: teacher, doctor, lawyer, police. We should write all of these professions. Engineer. These 5 we have to write. These are the answers. Next, here third Roman is matching. Mother Teresa, MS Subbulakshmi, Sarojini Naidu, Shakuntala Devi, Mary Kom. Mathematics, social service, boxing, Carnatic music, poetry. For Mother Teresa, we should write social service. P. MS Subbulakshmi, D. Carnatic music. Sarojini Naidu, E. Poetry. Shakuntala Devi, mathematics. Mary Kom, boxing. B, D, E, AC are the right answers. Here Savitribai Phule. Here is one paragraph about Savitribai Phule, and by reading this paragraph and understanding this paragraph, you should answer the given questions. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd Jan 1831 in Naigaon, Maharashtra. She worked for the upliftment of the women and their education. She spent her life for the development of women education. Her husband Jyotirao Phule helped her attain high levels of education and live her life with her held high. Savitri started India's first women's school for different castes in Bidwada, Pune. This is the paragraph. By reading and understanding this paragraph, we should answer. When was Savitribai Phule born? Savitribai Phule was born on which date? On 3rd January 1831. Here they asked when only, so that's why we should write date and year. This is the answer. Next, how did she help by starting schools for the education of the women. She helped by starting schools for the education of the women. Mention an inspiring woman personality that you know. Mother Teresa, who was Jyotirao Phule? How did he help Savitribai? He was the husband of Savitribai Phule and he helped her attain high levels of education. He was the husband of Savitribai Phule and he helped her attain high levels of education. For whom did Savitribai start the school? For whom? For women. For women, she started the school.